Hello guys, it's Emil from Lancaster Automart. Hope you're all well. We've got 2017 Cosmos Black Metallic Mercedes-Benz CLA class. It's a 2.1 litre CLA220d AMG licensed shooting brake. It's got 64,896 miles and it's a diesel automatic. Really lovely vehicle. It's got the 18-inch AMG multi-spoke design in the gloss black alloy wheels. It's got panoramic glass opening sunroof, electronic adjustable door mirrors which fold, front and rear parking sensors, automatic activation headlights and daytime running lights, AMG Bodystyling. There's the third alloy, privacy glass at rear side window and at the tailgate, dual zone exhaust, front and rear parking sensors like I mentioned, privacy glass. Really mean looking, to be honest. I'll just show you inside. Inside it's got the electronic adjustable windows, electronic adjustable wind mirrors with the folding mechanism, open and close, powered tailgate, storage compartment. It's got the Dominica microfiber Artico leather with the contrast stitching, really good condition sports seats, automatic activation headlights with a keyless push to start, electronic parking brake is just underneath there, a multifunction steering wheel with the red stitching around, cool additional feature. It really brings out the red stitching. It's got the voice control, Bluetooth hands-free cruise control with a speed limiter. It's got gear shift paddles here on left and on the right with the automatic transmission indicator and the wiper indicator. It's got 64,896 miles on the clock with different driving modes. So there's comfort, sport, individual and eco. Moving on to the center console, it's got the 8-inch display with features such as sat-nav navigation, very responsive, high resolution. There's also the radio which includes FM and AM. There's the media and telephone preparation which you can connect to your phone. I'll just show you a few different vehicle settings. So there's dynamic select which includes the engine, steering, stop and start function and the climate control. You can change all different configuration. And there's the vehicle settings, there's ambient lighting around, so there's 12 different colours. I'll keep it to blue because that's my favourite colours, but yeah, there's also ambient lighting. And yeah, underneath here is the dynamic select button, stop and start, parking assist, dual zone air conditioning with a 12-volt plug socket, storage compartment with 2 keys, so the car comes with 2 keys, a menu selector, 2 cup holders with ambient lighting just there, a lovely leather armrest with more storage compartment, 2 USB ports. Moving on to the roof line, it's got black roof lining with a panoramic glass opening sunroof which opens electronically. No faults in the system at all. I'll keep it. There's also a sun visor option. No faults in the system. I'll keep the sun visor off with the window open as well, so it just lets more light in for you guys. But yeah, really cool additional feature to the car, especially it's summer. But yeah, really lovely car. Moving on to the back, it's got the privacy glass, electronic adjustable windows, storage compartment, ISOFIX preparation seats at drivers and passengers side, plenty of leg space, got an air conditioning unit with a 12-volt plug socket and storage compartment, storage pockets here on the left and on the right. But overall, really lovely vehicle. It's got an easy powered tailgate, no faults in the system either. There's a little storage pocket here on the left and a little bit of more storage space underneath, which includes a first aid kit, tyre inflation kit and all the rest, and the wheel nuts and all the rest of the bits and bobs. But yeah, really lovely car, to be honest. There's a final look of the vehicle. If you do need any more further information or pictures of the vehicle or information about your own part exchange or finance in the vehicle, just give us a call or send us a message. Cheers guys.